Good day everyone. As you know that the beta stock Android 16 ROM got released for the Google Pixel devices. Android 16 ROM is getting released for the Pixel 6 and above devices. It is not for the Pixel 5 or lower flagship mobile phone of the Google Pixel, right? In case if you have a Pixel 6, 6 Pro or 6a and above Google Pixel devices, if you are a flashaholic, you want to try Android 16 on your mobile phone, you just follow the video steps, you will get the Android 16 stock ROM on your mobile phone. But let me inform you that right now this is a beta version. But if you want to try a beta version of Android 16 to know what are the things or changes coming with the Android 16, just flash it. Anytime you want to go back, you can flash the Android 15 stock ROM back on your mobile phone. Just the way I am going to flash Android 16 on the Pixel 6 mobile phone. Same way, flashing the Android 15 stock ROM back on the mobile phone. In case during flashing, if you are facing any error, I have uploaded a video already on my this channel. Like in case if you are getting any errors during flashing, what exactly we have to do, link is provided in my video description. Now let me go to my computer screen. So here is the website, link provided in my video description. Get Android 16, right? And here are the models that supports the Android 16. To get the Android 16 ROM, come down here and click on Pixel Downloads page. Then scroll down. Here are the files you will see for Pixel 6, 6 Pro, 6a, 7, 7 Pro, 7a, Pixel Fold, and so on, right? So according your model, you can click the link to download the file. So today I'm going to flash the beta a Pixel 6 Android 16. So I will click on this window. The another window pop up. Just click on the I have read and agree. Then click on download Android 16 factory system image. So this downloading will get start. So here is my downloaded folder. We need platform tools, and this is the beta Android 16 ROM. First of all, let me tell you that you need to install the ADB and fast boot drivers on your Windows. In case if you are not having it, right, then extract the platform tools in the same folder and also extract your Android 16 beta ROM. Then open the extracted folder of the ROM. You will see another folder inside. Double click to open it and copy all the files from here. Either if you want to cut or if you want to copy, go back to the platform tools extracted folder and paste the file over here. Okay, files copied. Now we'll come back to my mobile phone. What we have to do before starting the flashing procedure, first of all, you need to check the mobile phone battery is supposed to be charged, like so the ROM can get flash easily, right? Then you need to save all the internal storage data. Either if you are flashing beta Android 16 ROM, or in case if you want to go back to the Android 15, in both case you need to save all the internal storage data. In both case the data will get formatted, right? So save all the data, then go to settings, scroll down, tap about phone, then go scroll down. At the end you will see build number over here. Tap this build number for 7 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So the developer mode will turn on. Now go back, tap system, then tap developer options over here and turn on the OEM unlocking. In my case it is already turned on, but it must be turned off like the way it is right now. So tap it to turn on it and tap enable, right? Must turn on the OEM unlocking to unlock the bootloader. Then go back once again. Go to the password, sync your Google account once. In case if you are having it, then must remove it to avoid any issues. And go back, tap security privacy and select the device unlock swipe to turn it off. While you can power off the mobile phone, always use a good quality of data cable. Check the other side of the data cable must be connected with computer. Mobile phone must be power off. We need to boot the phone into bootloader mode. So press and hold the volume down key, then connect the cable with the mobile phone. You will see a bootloader mode. Release the volume down key immediately. Now check this, device states locked. So we have to unlock the bootloader first. We'll come back to my computer screen. I have provided the platform tools, this one which is also having CMD. First, right click on the CMD, then left click on run as administrator. Click yes on the next pop-up window. The command window will open. Now for unlocking, we have to use a command for that: fastboot space flashing space unlock. Press enter key. The mobile phone will ask like, do not unlock the bootloader. You can read this thing, but we have to unlock, so we will press the volume down key to change this option, unlock the bootloader, then press the power key. So the mobile phone bootloader will automatically get unlocked and it will automatically boot into bootloader mode. You can see that device state. Now it is showing unlock, right? Now coming back towards the computer screen once again, I will close the command window. Then simply double click flash all file. So the flashing of the Android 16 beta ROM will start flashing to the mobile phone. The mobile phone will reboot once or twice maybe. Just wait for it, let the flashing complete, then we will continue. When flashing gets completed, the mobile phone will automatically reboot and it will start booting to the Android 16. You can press any key to exit the command window. We are done from the computer and now we will wait because the bootloader is already unlocked. That is why you can see the warning screen. Now the mobile phone will start booting to the Android 16 ROM. You can disconnect the cable from the mobile phone. Wait, let the first boot complete, then we will continue. The first boot got completed very fast. First of all, you will see Android beta program. This device is enrolled in the Android beta program, etc., etc. Tap OK, and this window will comes up always when you are restarting the mobile phone. Tap OK and complete the setup screen. Okay, we are done getting Android 16 on the Pixel 6. We'll go to settings and you will see that because I was having Android 14 earlier, now I got Android 16. We'll tap the about phone, device name Pixel 6. If I scroll down, here you can see the Android version, which is not right now Android 16, it is Baklava. If I tap on it, so this is the Android 16, Android Baklava, Android Security Update, 5th December 2024. Is banned. Yes, we are getting it, and the build number. Android 16, the beta version, got installed easily on the mobile phone. So I will suggest to do not relock the bootloader when testing Android 16 beta program, right? After testing it, if you like it, you can keep it. Otherwise, if you want to go back, you can flash the Android 15 stock ROM just like the way I did Android 16. And in case if you want to watch the video, I will provide in my video description the tutorial link flashing the stock ROM back on the Google Pixel 6. Thank you so much. We'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.